Hi, I'm Brittany with Condi Systems, and today we're going to be going over one of Unisub's latest products, which is a 2x3 picture frame. This is a great product. We can hang it either portrait or landscape. I brought a finished product with me today, and I'm going to show you how we're going to press one. So first, to get started, I have a blank picture frame. It comes in several different pieces, so we're going to do the assembly last, and we're going to print our frame first. I have the image I like to display, some heat tape, and this is a 5-pound weight. Anything you have that has a flat surface, that's 5 pounds. We can use this. Is going to be during the cooling process. We'll actually place the weight on there. The purpose is to keep this frame from warping from the warmth of the press. So anything you have, 5 pounds flat, we can use it. And I have a couple sheets of protective paper. Our first step will always be removing a peel coat. Check for your peel coat. Unisub often puts a peel coat on their frames. This one in particular, I do not have a peel coat, so I'm not going to need to remove it. But if you accidentally press with the peel coat, you'll instantly notice that you've ruined your frame, and the picture is going to come out completely distorted. So we want to be sure to take one extra step and check beforehand. What we're going to do first is grab a sheet of protective paper, actually 2 of them, and I have my press set up at 400 degrees. Place my frame in between my 2 pieces, and what we're going to do is we're going to pre-press for 20 seconds using a medium pressure. The pre-press is to get out any excess moisture. It's going to help give it a nice even look when we go to apply our image, and it's a very important step in our press. So 20 seconds, medium pressure, 400 degrees. Once my 20 seconds are up, we're going to do a quick transfer to the table. I'm going to go ahead and keep my protective sheets of paper in place. Grab my weight, and we're going to let it cool with our weight applied. Could take several minutes, up to 5 minutes probably, but just make sure that you're feeling it too to the touch and make sure that it cools fully before we go on to our second step. Now that my frame is cooled, we're going to align it with our image. Got a piece of heat tape. Let's go ahead and hold it in place. Do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be ready to press. With our final piece of heat tape in place, move again to our press. Piece of protective paper on the bottom. Have it so my image is facing down. Another sheet of protective paper on the top. We're going to press for 60 seconds. This is considered a small item, so 60 seconds should do the trick. 400 degrees, and we're going to do a medium pressure. And that sound means we're done. So I'm going to lift and swing away on my press. Be very careful when I transfer this, because not only is it hot, but I want to make sure I don't shift my image. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, same cooling process. Grab our 5-pound weight, put it over our picture frame, and let it sit to avoid warping. Now that my frame is cooled, you can see just how great this product really turned out. Unisub always produces a very high quality image. I really like the way that looks. So when we go to do our assembly, which is our second step, we have this double stick tape. So I'll remove our little peel coat. And again, it can be hung either way, portrait, landscape, however you choose. We're going to place this backing on. I've got my back on now. Just going to insert my picture in the last part. So let me put my picture inside the frame. Make sure my wording's correct. Yep. And I'll just slide these into place. And that looks great. This is just another fabulous product by Unisub. For all of our products and services by Condi, be sure to check out our website at condi.com and watch more of my videos at conditv.com. I'm Brittany with Condi Systems, and thank you for joining us.